We've already got too close to mute swans once, but can we do it again? We are out on the lake and we are just going over to some swans we've spotted, and we're going to see how close we can get to them on the water. As we drive on our boat across the lake, I remember the last time we saw mute swans, and it was truly amazing. There are some mallards just over there. There's one coming right up to us here, other side of the boat. And then there's another one, a male female. So the swans have just gone over to the other side of the lake, so we're going to start driving the boat over there now. Here are the swans. We've turned the boat round, and all of a sudden, we're very close to the swans. Okay, this is good. There they are. Look, there's a massive chub in the water. The boat's going over it now. Oh my god. Where is he? Chub are large freshwater fish with grey or black coloration. But for now, back to the swans. The swans have come right up to the boat. They're very tame here. Go back. That's the cygnet, so year old, the big adult. Look. There's another chub under the water. There. The ripples in the water make it difficult to spot the chub, but I reckon I can do it. There. I can see it, definitely. Oh, there's two. Keep going. Forward. They kind of look like sharks under the water. If you can't see them now, don't worry. We're going to get right up close to them in a minute. After a bit more searching, of course. Even the swans are helping us look. Oh, okay, maybe not. Okay, bye. Sorry to disturb you. He was a bit angry there. There's absolutely loads of fish. Yes. There's about 5 of them. And then finally, they emerge from under the boat. See, there's 2 there, 3. We've just gone over the top of some. They're most likely going to come back out here. Hopefully. They never came back. But one day, I'm sure, we'll come back here and get even closer than today to the chub. Well, today on the lake, we have seen mute swans, 3 mute swans, and also 3 chub. Chub are a big type of fish that live in the lakes, and there's some more swans up ahead here. It has been an amazing adventure here on the lake. See you next time on Adventure Boys.